this look. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with this soft glam look and I'm going to show you exactly how I get it. So I'm starting off with my Maybelline 24-hour Fit Me foundation. This is in the color Coconut 355. Going in with my stippling brush from the Real Technique and just gonna apply that all around my face. Now, this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Ring the Alarm, is so amazing, guys. I'm going in with this brown neutral color. This color is so neutral, like I can't even explain. Just going in with one of my AliExpress brushes and going to use that as my transition color, guys. Now I'm gonna make this crease a little deeper. Going to apply this darker burgundy-ish brown looking color on the crease of my eyelid, just so that this can have more definition. Now guys, take your time, blend it out to your liking, because I had to go back and forth with these two colors just so it can look very natural and soft. As you can see, I'm taking the same brown color I started with and just blending it out more. Now going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Warm Honey, and I'm going to cut my crease. I have a method that I like to do. I like to look up just to know how high I would like my cut crease to be. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to smudge the edge just so that it can look more natural. Going in with this beautiful cool tan looking color. It looks on the yellow side, but it's just a tan natural color. Just going to apply that right on top of the concealer. Look how beautiful that look, guys. It's very natural, not too harsh. And yes, I got it a little bit of it above crease line, but no worries. All you need to do is go back into that first transition color and apply it on that cut crease line so it can look more natural. As you can see here, I'm going back with that brown color and just going to blend out that crease so it can look very soft. Don't mind my hands, guys, I'm a bit ashy, but as you can see, this looks so marvelous. Going in with the same Warm Honey LA Girl Pro Concealer and just going to highlight my face, the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, my mustache area. And now going in with a damp beauty blender and just gonna smoothly press down onto the concealer so it can blend out smoothly. Now guys, I was extremely ashy and there is no reason I should be this ashy, but when the weather changes to cold, I am so dry. No matter how much lotion I put on, I will still look dry. Comment down below if you're just like that, but I'm not dealing with this year, okay? Now going in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick. I'm just gonna apply it in the areas I would like to contour, which is my nose and my cheeks and my jawline. Going in with this buffer brush by the Real Technique and just going to apply that brush around the contouring areas and just make it look soft and contoured. Going in with a small eyeshadow brush just to contour my nose easily. Using an eyeshadow brush gets my nose looking the right way. Now guys, one of my homegirls showed me her friend's car that someone smashed. They violated this girl's car for no reason. We gotta get up out the hood. You gotta just make your life better, surround yourself with better people, because you don't want to be going through that, okay? I feel bad for her. Now I'm going in with this NK eyeliner. This is in the color black, guys. I love me a pin eyeliner because you are an artist. I am an artist, and I love doing my makeup and drawing the cat eyes on myself because I learned on my own, and I'm very proud of that, guys. Just get into this eyeliner, how easily it's coming out. Get you a pin eyeliner if you struggle with getting your eyeliner to sit on properly. Now going in with this Maybelline mascara and just going to apply some on my lashes so that I can apply my eyelashes. Well, the false lashes, of course. Using some weave glue to apply my eyelashes is the best thing ever. Not only is the glue black so it blends in with your natural lashes, but this glue is 30 seconds to dry. So it's so quick to dry. You don't need to wait. You just blow on it a little bit so it can become tacky, and boom, you got it. These lashes, guys, it's by Signature by Shanice Marie. That's her Instagram, and you guys can check her out on Instagram. Her lashes are so dope. They're so wispy and so beautiful, guys. Look how that looks. Now guys, I like to rub my finger underneath the lashes just so little glue can be rubbed onto the lashes and my natural eyelashes. So I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me powder all around my face. It is a brown color, so it just blends everything out together. This is a brow dip, guys. I'm using this brow dip by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color chocolate to give myself a cute little lip line. The reason why I like to use the brow dip is because the brow dip lasts all day, and I want this liner on my lips to last all day. Even when I eat, if I wipe my mouth, this well, it's a brow dip, but the liner will stay there all day, guys. You should try it. Now, I'm going to apply this reddish lip gloss, and it was a bit red, guys. I'm just going to pair it with this beautiful MAC brown lipstick. This lipstick is a bit bright. It's like on the tan color side, so I wanted a natural look, and look how that came out. So beautiful. Just gonna highlight my inner corners because I want that pop look, you know, natural and dramatic all at the same time, guys. Apply a little bit of the same highlight on my nose area so you can contour my nose better. Alright guys, this is the ending of my video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this look and what look I should do next. People keep telling me I need to do dramatic looks. I'm more on the natural side. I'm afraid of doing dramatic looks. I don't know why. But I'm going to do it for you guys if that's what y'all want. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys in my next video.